Baking with Chef Ella.
Welcome to Baking with Chef Ella. Today we're making sugar cookies and I'm using all of these ingredients. We have flour, brown sugar, salt, regular sugar, vanilla, baking powder, 1 egg, baking soda, and butter. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line some cookie sheets with parchment paper. Now we're going to start with 2 3/4 cups of flour. And when you're using flour, you want to make sure you smooth out the top of it with a butter knife. 1, there's 2, 2 1/4, 2 2/4, and 2 3/4. Now it's time for our baking soda, which we need 1 teaspoon of. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And finally, it's time for 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now it's time to mix this all together. Now it's time to cream together our butter, brown sugar in our stand mixer. We're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then we're gonna need 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of regular sugar. And now we need 2 sticks of room temperature butter. Now it's time to mix that up on medium speed until it looks nice and fluffy. Now it's time to add our egg. To add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now it's time to add our dry mixture from before into our wet mixture now. Now we're going to roll our cookie dough into balls and put them in sugar. Now that we've rolled out our cookie dough and dipped them in sugar, it's time to put them in the oven. Make sure you have an adult help you with this because it's very hot. And here's our final product, homemade sugar cookies. See you next time on Baking with Chef Ella.